Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to search for videos in your Gmail on a PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Now that you're in Gmail, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the search bar to activate it. Next, type in "has video" into the search bar. This simple phrase helps Gmail's search function to filter out all the emails that contain video attachments. It's a handy trick that saves you time and quickly brings up exactly what you need. After hitting enter, take a moment to browse through the results. You'll see a list of emails that contain videos. Scroll through until you find the email you want. Whether it's a fun home video from a friend or an important clip for work, it should now be easy to spot. Once you find the email with the video, simply click on it to open. You can then view or download the video as needed. And that's it. With just 4 simple steps opening Gmail. Using the search bar, typing "has video," and finding your email, you can easily locate videos in your Gmail inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.